Gold digger. Someone who dates others just for money. Example: Emma only dates rich guys. She's a total gold digger. Stalker. Someone who follows or spies on someone in a creepy way. Example: Jake keeps checking all my posts and showing up everywhere I go. Such a stalker. Sleazebag. A dishonest or immoral person. Example: That guy scams people all the time. He's a total sleazebag. Junkie. Someone addicted to drugs or something else. Example: Mark is a coffee junkie. He drinks 5 cups a day. Flirt. Someone who playfully shows romantic interest in many people. Example: Sarah keeps winking at every guy. She's such a flirt. Cheapskate. Someone who hates spending money. Example: John never tips at restaurants. What a cheapskate. Squatter. Someone who lives somewhere without paying rent. Example: That guy moved into the abandoned house and won't leave. He's a squatter. Wreck. A person or thing in very bad condition. Example: After pulling an all-nighter, I look like a wreck. Pathetic. Very sad, weak, or disappointing. Example: Crying over a lost video game. That's just pathetic. Knucklehead. A foolish or dumb person. Example: Tom forgot his own birthday. What a knucklehead. Lame brain. Someone who doesn't think clearly. Example: She put her phone in the fridge. What a lame brain move. Nitwit. A silly or unintelligent person. Example: You wore socks in the pool. You nitwit. Nutter. Someone who behaves in a crazy or odd way. Example: Joe tried to fight a tree. He's a total nutter. Quarrelsome. Someone who argues a lot. Example: Lisa argues over everything. She's so quarrelsome. Killjoy. Someone who ruins the fun. Example: He told us to stop laughing. What a killjoy. Pinhead. A very foolish person. Example: Jack tried to microwave a metal spoon. What a pinhead.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.